Welcome back, children. Now let us look over the next question, that is about interest rates on bank deposit have been falling as shown in the bar graph on next page, where study the bar graph and answer the following questions. So first let us look over the bar graph, what is given, that is about the fixed deposits up to 3 years, right? So in the month of March 1999, January 2000, June 2000, January 2001 and August 2001. So here the rate of interest has been 9.50, 10 and 10.50, 11 and 11.50 is given in the question. Now if you see the rate of interest in where the years as given for as on x-axis and where the rate of interest is given on the y-axis, where in the month of March 1999 the rate of interest will be 11.50, where in the month of January 2000 year the rate of interest will be 10.50. In the month of June 2000, the rate of interest will be 9.50, and in the month of January 2001, the rate of interest is 10, and in the month of August 2001 year, the rate of interest is 9.50. This is given the information in the bar graph. Now let us look over the question. 3 questions are given in this. So let us solve that one. In which month and year the rate of interest was the highest? Highest means which is the maximum one you have. So in the month of March, the rate of interest is more. You can see the bar graph. It is clearly, you can observe in the month of March 1999, the rate of interest was the highest. In which month? That is in the month of March 1999, the rate of interest is high. And look at the next one. In which month of the year 2000, in which month of the year 2000 the rate of interest was the lowest? So in which month of the year 2000? So here if you look over the graph, bar graph, January and June both months are in the same year. January is given for the month for the year 2000 and June is given for the year 2000. Same years we have. And what the question is, what is the rate in which month the rate of interest is lowest in the year 2000. So if you compare in these 2 years, in the month of June 2000 the rate of interest is lowest, right? So that is nothing but minimum in the month of June 2000 year, right? Now look at the next question. What was the rate of interest for fixed deposits in Jan 2001? So in the month, what was the rate of interest for fixed deposits in January 2001? So in the month of January 2001, the rate of interest is how much? That is 10%, right? So the rate of interest is how much? 10.00 is given. So it is nothing but 10% the rate of interest is, right? So this is about the 5th one. And let us go to the next question, that is bar graph. In 6th question, study the bar graph below. Maximum marks is equal to 100. It shows the marks obtained by Amit Sharma in his half-yearly examination. Now answer the following question. So this is the marks obtained by a student named Amit Sharma in his half-yearly examination. The graph is given. So here if you see the on x-axis we are taking the subjects, where on the y-axis and the marks obtained by the student. And here in English he got the marks 60, and in Hindi he got the marks 70, and in science he got the marks 50, mathematics in 90 marks, and social studies 80, and French he got the marks, how many marks he got, that is 50, and in computer science he got the marks 100, and in GK he got the marks that is 30, right? So this is about the marks obtained by Amit Sharma. Now let us look over the question what is given. Find the marks obtained by him in each subject. Yes, just now I told you. So let us write down total how much in English, how many marks he got. 60 marks he got. In Hindi how much he got? 70 he got, right? And in science how much he got? In science, if you look over the y-axis, so how many marks he got? That is 50 marks he got in the science. And in mathematics he got the marks of 90, and in the social science he got the marks of 80, and in French subject he got the marks of 50, and where in computer science he got the marks of 100, and in GK, that is general knowledge, he got the marks of 30, right? So this is the marks obtained by the student. Find the marks obtained by him in each subject, just now I wrote, and in which subject he has got maximum marks. He got maximum marks in computer science. And which subject he needs to improve maximum? He needs to improve maximum in general knowledge, that is GK. Yes, thank you.